Do you want to say anything? Fun? We'll be going to from the valley floor tomorrow morning, farther down in Canyon de Chelly. There's still a little light up here. It's still rather spectacular.
La gente se fueron hace como unos 500 años. Está todo igual, así como se fueron. ¿Qué?
La niña que se hizo amiga con pensar que no quería hablar. Porque esa niña se parece como la de allá.
Mire, en la casita que está allá, así es como viven ellos.
Where's the Hogan you're talking about?
No es cabin, es casa. They live like that. Don't you understand? That's the way they live.
So what do you think?
Y entra uno la...
Bernice, you want to say something? Look at the shadows and the canyon down there.
Mami, get a photo.
I can see.
Last little bit of sunlight on Spider Rock here. Don't mind me, I'm just talking to myself here.
Yeah, I've just been doing that for hours. That is really gorgeous.
Here we are on our Jeep trip to Canyon de Chelly. Good morning. Here comes Michelle after buying her hat for the trip. Good morning.
I don't want this one.
Here we're entering Canyon de Chelly. It's very shallow here. It'll get deeper as we get into the canyon.
Punawanuc, which are called Anasazi people. Now, where they do their pit grabbing, where they don't ring, this is about, I'll say, 25 or 30 feet overhang now, weather protection. What they use with their painting, some like white clay, yellow clay, some of these color ones there are water root vegetable oil plant now. Okay? Like for us Navajos now, we really don't know what they really meant now, these pictures. See, the Hopi claim their ancestors used to be these people, Anasazi people. For us Navajos, we're Athabasca Indian, like what I said. So what he says, the Hopi, the handwriting up there, they figured that was their name one time, their signature. These are the carved, and the chip out by the Navajos and the Hopis back 17th and 18th centuries. In the middle one, this Hopi design with some snake dancing there with the beads hanging down back in the middle. Represent the clan, snake clan. Touch your left, fall up, there's some bear paws, bear clan. So that's Hopi design now, back in the middle. Whole side now, the horses, those were by the Navajos. The livestock, what we had on our reservation, were just brought in by the Spanish back around by 17th century. So all these livestock that drew back on the King walls, those are by the Navajos. See, by the time of the 17th century, we didn't have no written manuals. Or about the horses. For those big ones now. You could hear these trucks coming through the canyon about miles away. Echo. So archaeology nowadays they figure it was the same floor level right up to date, the same floor level. Some of you people may wonder, as you come through our reservation, see how some of our people still live through our reservation, especially these older people, our mid-age people. They're putting these families right out here now, way out in the field. Behind the drum. The rat top, the Ronald. That's our home, which we call that our hogan. Rain, cold season, that's where they spend their time, just like work, sleep, eat back in that hogan. It's just one round room that puts how large family size you got. Some of these, they got 6 corner size up to 8, 10 corner size. The largest one, the ceremonial type, could be around about 10 to 12 corner size with the earth top on now. The doorways always facing east. In the middle, something sticking out, that's their heating stove pipe, our cook stove pipe. And if you go in the doorway, you have to step down a foot down. Once you warm it up, it stays warm. Cooler summertime when it gets up to 100. name of a National Park Service or archaeology. So they named this one here First Room. Those materials, those are sandstone bricks. These are all sandstone walls, very soft, and it's easy to carve out, it's easy to chip out. So they probably did chip those square bricks underneath their houses, carry them on their back. For the motor, it's just a plain nut for the motor, clay type. If you go down here, a little further down, you could just hit the clay.